There is a quiet kind of luxury in having a wooden coffee bar station inside your home. Not loud, not extravagant, just a small corner that feels personal, warm, and intentional. A space where morning begins slowly, where the scent of coffee lingers, where the wood, the textures, and the atmosphere comes together to create something that feels like your own little cafe without stepping outside your door. A wooden coffee bar isn't just about serving drinks, it is about creating a ritual, a pause, a moment of calm in a world that rarely slows down. Wood sets the tone immediately. It has warmth, weight, and character that metal or plastic simply can't replicate. When you walk toward a wooden coffee bar, there is a sense of comfort built into the material itself. The grain lines call back to nature. The tones and texture softens the mood. Even the slight imperfections, knots, color shifts, the softness of worn edge add soul. A wooden coffee bar doesn't just hold things, it holds emotion. It feels lived in, grounded, and quietly sophisticated. What makes a coffee bar special isn't its size, it is the intention behind it. Whether it is a full station in the kitchen, a nook carved out in your dining area, or a small stand near a window, the wooden foundation gives it presence. It makes the ritual matter. Every time you approach it, there is a sense of consistency, a moment that belongs entirely to you. Before work, before noise, before the day takes over, the wood anchors that ritual. It becomes part of the habit itself. A wooden coffee bar works with almost any interior style. Modern homes gain warmth, rustic rooms gain structure, minimalist spaces gain softness, industrial spaces gain balance. The beauty of wood is that it adapts without losing character. It absorbs light differently throughout the day, glowing in the morning, deepening in the evening. That makes the coffee bar feel alive. It ages gracefully, and with every cup brewed nearby, it picks up more personality. A wooden coffee station isn't just decorative, it is functional architecture on a small scale. It becomes a hub, holding mugs, storing beans, supporting machines, and keeping everything in one curated place. But the function never overshadows the warmth. If anything, it enhances it. Even the act of placing a mug on a wooden surface feels different. There is a softness to the sound, a tactile warmth that makes the simplest moment feel intentional. When reclaimed wood enters the picture, the story gets even richer. Old memes, salvaged planks, or vintage boards carry subtle marks of time, a patina that instantly adds depth. A coffee bar made from reclaimed wood feels like history repurposed into calm ritual. It becomes a reminder that beauty doesn't need to be new. It just needs to be meaningful. The imperfections become part of the charm. Each line a gentle reminder of renewal and continuity. One of the overlooked joys of a wooden coffee bar is how it changes the flow of a room. It can turn an unused corner into a destination, a hallway into a pose point, a kitchen into an experience. The presence of wood naturally draws the eye, not in a dramatic way, but with quiet magnetism. It invites you in, it encourages you to slow down. Placement becomes a part of the atmosphere, whether near natural light, beside greenery, or against a textured wall. The wood ties everything together. What makes a wooden coffee bar truly special is how personal it becomes. Everyone builds their own version of it, even without trying. The objects placed on it, a favorite mug, a jar of beans, a tiny plant, a brewing tool, shape its character. Over time, wood reflects those habits. A faint ring, a softened corner, a place where you hand rest every morning. It is simple, it is personal, and it turns everyday life into something a little more intentional. Because sometimes all you need is one corner to make a day feel beautifully yours. So until next time, happy decorating.